Friday with Fred. 5 tips and tricks at 5. Fearless and driven for life. Today we're going to talk about empower. Number 1, be motivated. Number 2, be willing to transform from where you start to where you want to finish. Number 3, be able to win some and lose some. If you fall and get up, you are much stronger than the one who never failed. Be willing to thrive. Don't ignore your potential. If you do, then maybe you're just being lazy. Number 5, be able to seek freedom. You want to seek first to understand, be a student. Then you want to be understood. Freedom isn't always free. They say knowledge is power. I say applied knowledge is power. Be encouraged. Stay inspired. See you at the top. I teach fearless and driven leadership habits that empower confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share so you don't miss any videos when they drop. Have a nice holiday. Enjoy your weekend. Do all you can for yourself. I see you on Monday. Once again, we're going to wrap up Friday with Fred. 5 tips or tricks at 5. Fearless and driven for life.